If you have dry skin, go for this lotion. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about my best body lotion brand, which is Garnier. If you've been watching me for a very long time, you notice that I just like me some Garnier products. I'm going to be talking about the Garnier Body Superfood. When I talk about superfood, means it's a very rich food for the body. Let's talk about it. When I discovered this lotion, my household has been using it for the past 7 months, and I tell you, I've seen a great difference. This lotion has 4 main ingredients, which is one of the best ingredients when you want to talk about body lotion. It has glycerin, ceramide, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is one of the best ingredients a body lotion should have. Cocoa is very good for the body. It makes you look very young. Cocoa is good for dark spots too. It looks like this. This lotion is a bomb. The good thing about this lotion is that it is 97% natural. You use it for the body, the hands, the feet, arm, chest, everywhere. I even use it on my face. This product is made in Germany and it was manufactured by the company called L'Oreal. If you know the company L'Oreal, you know what I'm talking about. Everything about the company is bomb. Back to the lotion. This lotion is good for dry skin because it intensely moisturizes your body. Talking about shea butter, is that ingredient that keeps your body moisturized. This keeps you hydrated for 10 hours. It says here 100 hours hydration. Look at that. It's cruelty free. You can see there 97% natural. Talking about absorption into the skin, it's another level. Let me show you how it looks inside. Look at that. Everybody in my household uses this lotion. I mean everybody. From father, mother, kids. Look at the texture. Look at that. And I put this. Talking about the smell. Soft cocoa butter smell. Look at the moisture on my hand. And it leaves that area soft. Soft feeling. When you use it for a very long time, it gives your body this nice tone. When I start using something, I like to use it for at least half a year before I give a review. I really saw like the toning difference on my son's body. It's giving him a nice brown tone. Look at my hand, it's still moisturized. So if you have dry skin and you want a super rich body lotion, go for Garnier, CERAMIDE, and thank me later. There used to be an old one, but this is the new one. This is like €5. I always buy 2 in a pack. It's about €11 for 2 of this. I actually got this lotion from Amazon. Disclaimer, this is not an advert, but it's just a review. So if you want to use it, you can get it from Amazon. Please like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit on the bell notification so that I get updated every time I upload a new video. In that same light, ciao!